Everybody, welcome to the Man and the Pan. I'm gonna do something really good for you. I'm gonna make some poi donuts, using poi, mochico flour, sugar, and water. First what you do the wet mix, okay? In a bowl, you add about 8 ounces of poi. So I get 8 ounces of poi inside here, okay? Then to that, I add in about a cup of water. Yeah, mix it up, make it real liquefied. Okay, now you grab this, you put them on the side. Now in another bowl, right, you mix some sugar, okay? Sugar, okay. Okay, and a mochico. Here over, okay? No major, okay? Mix it burger really good now, okay? So now you get one dry mix and you get one wet mix. Now you get the wet mix, you mix it with the dry mix, okay? And you mix it up, okay? Okay, the thing's supposed to look just like this, okay? Now, put on the stove. You make the oil hot now, okay? Okay, when the oil is hot, all you do, you grab a spoonful of this mix and you drop it in, just like that. Don't make them too big now. Just like that. Make them round, just like that, okay? So when it's brown on one side, you flip it over and to the other side, just like this, okay? Okay, almost done. Okay, burger look good already. There you go. You see here, my mochi poi donut. Burger might be a little burnt, but don't worry. We're gonna see how it tastes. Burger don't look that good, but because you all try this, man. Burger tastes so good. Look, and mochi. It's so good. Problem is this, no can stop eating. So we'll be right back tomorrow, next week with more desserts, Man in the Pan. Awesome.